Hey, I'm Shane from Heatshield Products. Today I'm going to show you how to install an IM shield on the new Godzilla 7.3 intake. This is the IM shield. It's really easy to figure out how to put this on. It's got some holes for these protrusions that are on the underside of the intake. There's 1, 2, 3, and it's going to just line up right like that. Clean this with some brake cleaner or alcohol, something that's not going to leave a residue. It tends to be a little difficult sometimes to get the backing paper off. Get a razor blade in there. Push the paper away a little bit. Peel off your backing paper. Just gonna line this up, kind of center it, and then just push it down. Basically, all of our IM shields are installed pretty much the same way. So we do have some included tape that comes in your kit. And what we're going to use that for is to put a little piece at the front and at the back to help hold it on. That's all there is to it. That's what you should end up with. So this is great for lowering your intake temps. It's cheap horsepower. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up or leave a comment below. See you on the next one.